Hello, I am AI anchor Sana. You are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at AI news. Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced the expansion and integration of AI within its apps and products at Google I/O 2024. He announced the integration of Gemini AI into Google Photos, allowing users to ask for specific information like license plate numbers. The AI overviews will be available to all US users this week and eventually to users in other countries. Over 2 billion users and 1.5 million developers use Gemini APIs. Google announced updates on Gemini 1.5 Pro, Gemini app, AI in Google Search and much more. First, let's talk about Gemini 1.5 Pro, which is now available for all. Google have announced the availability of Gemini 1.5 Pro, an AI model with a 1 million token context window and 2 million token processing capabilities. Gemini Advanced will launch a data analytics feature, allowing users to upload charts and reports, and double the platform token to 2 million by the end of the year. Gemini Advanced is set to expand its language range to 35 more languages starting today. Gemini 1.5 Pro is now available in Workspace Labs, enabling users to summarize emails, highlight Google Meet recordings, and prepare responses. Now let's talk about Gemini app. Google's Gemini app now offers live voice conversations with its AI chatbot, specializing in narrating and short story creation, with natural responses and customizable interruptions. The Gemini app will enable users to plan trips and search for restaurants, similar to Google Search, on their behalf. Now let's know how Gemini will work during Google Search. Google's Google Search is introducing multi-step reasoning, allowing users to plan holidays directly and enhancing its AI overview, making it more helpful and collaborative. Search will soon feature an AI-organized, customizable search page and video search, allowing users to share videos with queries, enabling AI overview to provide answers and solutions. The new features will be introduced in Google Search in the upcoming weeks. Now, how will Gemini help you in Workspace? Google Meets is introducing Gemini in 68 languages, allowing users to search for queries and questions in Gmail. The Smart Reply feature in Gmail now understands context and offers suggestions. Users can set weekly or monthly workflows for tracking receipts or reports. Gemini can also be used in Sheets to analyze and summarize data with simple prompts. Google also announced Google Audio and AI agents. Let's take an overview of it. Google showcased an audio overview feature for students, explaining technical concepts through conversational examples. Sundar Pichai showcased a prototype AI tool called Agent, designed to organize and reason on behalf of users, while Google's audio overview feature is specifically targeted towards students. Now take a look at Gemini 1.5 Pro Flash. Google has introduced Gemini 1.5 Pro Flash, a low-latency tool optimized for AI Studio. It offers 1 million context windows for users and 2 million for developers, making it a lighter version with faster responses. Google also presented Gemini in Google Camera, Imagen 3, Veo and more. Google showcased AI integration in the Google Camera app, demonstrating its ability to remember context and remember previous interactions. The camera was able to locate glasses in specific rooms, as demonstrated by an engineer who showed multiple desks and asked the camera random questions, revealing their location. Google has launched Imagen 3, a text-to-video AI tool, and Veo, a generative video AI tool. Imagen 3 is expected to improve text prompt understanding, while Veo is currently available only to developers in AI labs. At last, let's take a look at 6th generation of TPUs. Google has announced Trillium, its 6th generation TPUs, which can improve computing performance by 4.7x over the previous generation. These custom hardware accelerators, developed in partnership with NVIDIA, are optimized for TensorFlow and outperform CPUs and GPUs in deep learning computations. They are crucial in Google's AI infrastructure for natural language processing and image recognition. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.